And in front of me is POCO M3, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select additional settings and click on languages and input. And here, by selecting languages, you can smoothly select the one that you would like to apply on your device. So for example, if you would like to pick Portuguese, just mark it. And as you can see, from now on, you've got Portuguese as your default language. And obviously you can pick whichever language, smoothly mark it, and that's it. It will be applied automatically. So this is it. This is how you can change system language in your POCO M3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.